You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this German dish or dish of German origin, roasted ham hock. The German pronunciation, first, Schweinshaxe. Schweinhaxe. See if you cannot pronounce German perfectly. Make sure to stay tuned for more German cuisine, right? You can say it as Schweinhaxe. Schweinhaxe from German. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.